Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss NEET previous year question paper. So let's start it. Which of the following produced nitrogen fixing nodule on the roots of Alnus? Option number 1 Bezoarnickia, option number 2 Rhizobium, option number 3 Frankia, option number 4 Rhodospirillum. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन नंबर 3 फ्रैंकिया. So next question is identify the incorrect statement related to the pollination. Option number 1 moth and butterfly are the most dominant pollinating agent amongst insects. Option number 2 pollination by water is quite rare in flowering plants. Option number 3 pollination by wind is more common amongst abiotic pollination. Option number 4 flower produce full odor to attract flies and beetle to get pollinated. सो इसका जो इनकरेक्ट जो स्टेटमेंट जो है इसमें से, तो ये जो आपकी सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ है ये आपकी कैसी स्टेटमेंट है? करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. तो आपकी जो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है वो कैसी है? इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए मेथड ऑफ ex-situ कंजर्वेशन? क्रायो प्रिजर्वेशन, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 नेशनल पार्क, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 माइक्रो प्रोपगेशन. सो इसका जो ex-situ में आपका जो करेक्ट मेथड नहीं है आपका नॉट अ मेथड ऑफ ex-situ कंजर्वेशन, वो है आपका नेशनल पार्क, ऑप्शन नंबर 3. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए ट्रू रिगार्डिंग द रिलीज ऑफ एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग ATP synthesis through chemoosmosis it involve? Option number 1 reduction of NADP to NADPH2 on the stroma side of the membrane. Option number 2 breakdown of proton gradient. Option number 3 breakdown of electron gradient. Option number 4 movement of proton across the membrane of the to the stroma. So इसका जो आपका करेक्ट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन नंबर 3 the breakdown of electron gradient. Next question is which of the following statement cannot be connected to the predation? Option number 1 it is necessitated by nature to maintain the ecological balance. Option number 2 it help in maintaining species diversity in community. Option number 3 it might lead to extinction of a species. Option number 4 both the interacting species आर नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्टेड. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है मतलब कि आपका जो कनेक्ट नहीं होता प्रीडेशन से वो है आपका ऑप्शन नंबर 4 बोथ द इंटरेक्टिंग स्पीसीज आर नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्टेड. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन बिलो द टू स्टेटमेंट. स्टेटमेंट 1 clastogamous flower are invariably autogamous. Statement number 2 clastogamy is disadvantageous as there is no chance for cross pollination. In the light of the above statement choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option number 1 statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option number 3 both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option number 4 statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. So इसका जो correct answer है वो है आपका option number 2 statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Next question is given below are two statement. The statement 1 the primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plant is phosphoenol pyrite and it is found in mesophyll cell. Statement 2 mesophyll cell of C4 plant lack riboscoenzyme. In the light of above statement choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option number 1 the statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Second both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option number 3 both statement 1 and the statement 2 are incorrect. Option number 4 statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. So इसका जो correct answer है वो है आपका option number 2 both the statement 1 and 2 are correct. Our next question is identify the correct set of the statement. Option number 1 Option number A. The leaflet are modified into pointed hard thorn in citrus and bougainvillea. Option number B. These are the statement. So we have to choose the statement on the correct basis. Okay. So B statement is axillary buds from slender and the spirally coiled tender in cucumber and the pumpkin. Option number means statement C. Stem is flattened and the stressy in the opuntia and the modified to perform the function of leaves. D. Rhizophora show vertical upward growing roots that help to get oxygen for respiration. E. Subrally growing stem in grasses and strawberry help in digestion and vegetative propagation. Choose the correct answer from the option given. Option number 1 A, B, D and E only. Option number 2 B and C only. Option number 3 A and D only. Option number 4 B, C, D and E only. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है आपका बी, सी, डी, ई। तो ये आपका कौन से ऑप्शन में है? आपका ऑप्शन नंबर 4। इसमें आपके पास जो लीफलेट एंड मॉडिफाइड इनटू पॉइंटेड हार्ड थॉर्न सिट्रस एंड बougainvillea वो आपका क्या है? गलत। ठीक है, तो आपका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है आपका बी, सी, डी, ई। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।